Hello everyone, I am Nahid and today in this video I am going to discuss about how to earn money while traveling. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So if you want to earn money while traveling, number one thing you can do, that is you can share your travel experience on social media platform like Facebook, like YouTube, and you can earn money from social media platform by sharing your travel experiences on social media. Number second thing you can do, that is you can promote other person's hotel and restaurant while traveling, and you can earn money by promoting other person's hotel and restaurant. Number third thing you can do, that is if you have particular knowledge on a particular destination, then you can work as a tour guide while traveling, and you can earn money by working as a tour guide while traveling. Number four thing you can do, that is you can do online trading while traveling. As for example, you can buy or sell share cryptocurrency while traveling. Number fifth thing you can do, that is you can do part-time freelancing work on Fiverr or Upwork, and you can earn money by doing part-time freelancing work while traveling. So that's the end of this video. I will come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.